Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Glide Armour set. This incredible armor enhances your mobility as you skydive through Hyrule's vast skies. It also significantly reduces the stamina you use while gliding, making long-distance travel much easier. Plus, once fully upgraded, the complete set grants you immunity to all fall damage, a truly game-changing benefit for any adventurer. Let's start with the Glide shirt. First, head to the Lindor's Brow Skyview Tower. Launch yourself high into the sky, then look southwest for Courage Island, a distinctive spiral-shaped landmass. Once there, speak to the steward construct to begin the dive ceremony. You'll need to complete this challenge by diving through all the rings in under 35 seconds to earn your first piece of the set. Next up are the Glide tights. Make your way to the Thiflo Ruins Skyview Tower, located in the northern part of the map. Launch yourself skyward, then turn and glide directly south towards Bravery Island. This island also features a dive ceremony. Talk to the steward construct, pay 1 Zonai charge, and complete the ring diving challenge in under 35 seconds to claim your second armor piece. Finally, for the glide mask, travel to the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower. Be sure to bring some cold resistance. Launch yourself and glide northeast towards Valor Island. This challenge is similar, requiring you to dive through rings in under 35 seconds. Once you have all 3 pieces, upgrading the full set to 2 stars will unlock the powerful impact-proof bonus, making you immune to fall damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.